Guys, welcome back to another video. So with these engines, they're quite common for oil leak, and I know there is another issue which is not an issue, but what happens is if you drive the car internally, funnily this happens with diesel, but however it does it with this, it makes a ticking noise. Or if you leave it at idle for a long time, it starts making a ticking noise, just like now. We'll just turn it on and you'll hear it. So, as you can hear that ticking noise, so this ticking noise is resolvable by literally going on to, let's say, revving it around about 3,500 revs. But obviously the engine's not hot, but if you do a little motorway and keep the revs above 3,500 revs, all it does is it takes the oil back and cleans some of the system, and then ticking noise should go. A lot of people will probably say it's timing chain or some sort of thing going on within mechanically, but really that sort of noise should go.